The fight to end generational urban poverty and gang violence is not an easy one. So College Bound Dorchester is an intervention model designed to identify and engage the most influential and disconnected young people in the community, many who are in gangs. The idea is to transform low-income urban communities through education and social emotional support to prepare students to progress in college and eventually in life. But College Bound needs your help. And today they visit us to explain about an exciting opportunity for professionals, I think on the young side, to give back. So CBC, or College Bound Champions, is a newly minted professional group created to connect those wanting to help through networking, volunteering, and fundraising. And they have a launch event, which is what you're watching now. And to tell us more about this opportunity, we've invited Janelle Woods McDish. She is the College Bound Dorchester board member and the College Bound Champions board liaison. And also with us, Jacqueline Sinclair. She is College Bound Champions Communications chair. Welcome to Urban Update.
Thank you for having us.
I'm excited because I'm a full disclosure, I was part of your great celebration this summer. I think it was awesome. The kids are great. High-fived a lot of them. I'm really a big fan. So when you told me about this, I said,
Yes.
Don't tell me anymore. Just come on the air and tell me, Janelle. So what is, before we get to anything, a little bit about College Bound and why you got involved.
So College Bound, as you mentioned, we're here to change and transform lives and communities through education. And for me, that's extremely important. And I joined for a very selfish reason. I'm a first-generation college student. And for me, education was the vehicle for me to get successful in life. And it's all about my family and having my children grow up in a community where education and their peers are involved in education. So for me, it's a very, very selfish reason why I joined College Bound. And I love the work that they're doing in transforming Dorchester.
Absolutely, and that's the key, transforming Dorchester. What made you get all excited about this? You look very young.
Oh, thank you. I got involved because during the day I'm a public relations manager for a nonprofit real estate developer of mixed income housing. And there are some intersections between the work that College Bound does and the work that we do. We're in the business of transforming communities. We do it through housing as a platform for opportunity, and College Bound does it through education. So I thought it would be a great place to get my feet wet and get acclimated for some life-changing work.
Absolutely. All right, let's get right to it while you're here.
Yes.
College Bound Champions. This is something new. You're looking for professionals, maybe a little bit on the younger side to get involved, right?
Yes, so youngest professionals. So we're looking for advocates to help us with the work of College Bound, and we're looking for people who want to be able to get involved in community work, who may not have the time commitment and financial resources to be a part of a board, but want to give back in some capacity. So we found a way for them to be part of our work through this young professionals group.
All right, Jacqueline, tell me, give me a profile. What's the type of person they're watching now maybe that you would love to see? Call that number or go on that website.
Sure. Well, we're looking for young professionals, and we want all of our champions to be passionate and driven, hopefully interested in mission-driven work, and excited just about changing communities and impacting youth.
You know, what are some of the activities that you are going to have these young professionals engage in?
So it's going to be networking, obviously. We have a great group of people who we're connected with through College Bound, so it'll be a great way to connect with people who you may not know from other industries.
A lot of cool people.
No, we're fun. We're a lot of fun.
Well, I wasn't talking about you, but she actually just threw us up and be like, we're fun.
Yeah, we are. But that's the other aspect of it. So it's going to be great networking and professional development. We're going to have fun activities where we'll be able to do both community service. We'll be able to do some fun activities that you might not otherwise do. But it's really a way for us to get people, like-minded people together who may not otherwise know each other and really support College Bound.
Yeah. Now, what would you say, if you're selling me, what are some of the benefits that you envision down the road for someone who becomes a College Bound champion?
I think the professional networking is key here. I think for young professionals who may be interested in working for nonprofits or being on a board, but they might not have the financial means to do so or the time to commit, I think College Bound Champions is the right group for them. So I think you get to learn and to grow, volunteer, work with College Bound more.
All right, so let's let everybody know you have an event coming up this week, so it's perfect timing.
The event. Thursday, December 3rd. It's at Tivolo and Dorchester. So it's an opportunity for us to come out and meet these fun, amazing people who are part of the Champions group, but also get a chance to really figure out what we're all about, what activities we'll be specifically doing, and really get a chance to see if this is a group, which it is, the group for you to be a part of.
So it's this Thursday. I've got the information right up on screen on Dorchester Avenue, Tivolo, and you've got the RSVP. So I'm hoping some folks that I say, hey, I saw you on Urban Update.
Yes.
Yeah.
That'd be great.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, before we move on along, because I kind of want to talk a little bit about the impact that this organization on people's lives. We have a couple photos that I think
Yes.
really capture the emotion of what happens during the whole thing. I love this photo right here because this is a mom, right?
Yes.
And her son. And this is what it's all about.
Yes. This is generational impact that we're doing. So this is not just about one life. This is changing entire families and communities. And this picture, as you said, changes it all. So
Yeah,
this
we
is
got a family up here. We had a mother and daughter. We've got another photo coming up that also captures it. So that's what I think College Bound. It's about the people and the lives are changing, right? A lot of single parents, a lot of young folks whose lives are changed because of this.
yeah.
All right, don't ever give me a one-word answer, Janelle, because you talk way
You
too much.
said it all. You said it all.
All right, we're going to put the College Bound Champions information. So if you're interested, and we hope you are, there is the website. Just go on www.collegebounddorchester.org/champions.
Correct.
And hopefully this Thursday, Janelle will be able to meet some new folks. And people say, Jacqueline, you look so much younger on television. All right. So how do you network? I mean, because you're a great networker as you're networking. So how important do you think networking is for professionals of color in the city?
I think, so when you think about Boston, Boston is like the mecca of colleges and universities and businesses. So this is a pool of people who are coming here, and Boston is keeping them at this point in time. So it's so many young people here that we might not be able to see. So networking is a great opportunity to meet new people that may not be in your same industry, and you may not otherwise meet.
Very well said. And again, thank you so much for stopping by Urban Update this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Thursday, get ready. Okay, great job. All right. When we come back, some information on Black nativity here in Boston, a tradition that is 45 years old. I think I wasn't around when it started. But anyways, more details coming up right here on Urban Update.